In this video, you will learn how to display fees on product page using WooCommerce Extra Fee plugin. Ensure that the advanced extra fees for WooCommerce Premium plugin is activated on your site. Let's begin. First, go to the Manage Fee menu here and click on the button to add a new fee. Start by adding a title for your fee. For example, add the title Product Fees here. After that, enter the amount you want to charge. Let's say 21 in this text box. Next, go to the Advanced Settings section, where you need to select the option Display Fee on Product Page to Yes. The Fee Only Display If option is selected. Now, let's scroll down and enable this section to configure the Advanced Fees price rules. Here, you can enable the option at Cost on Product, as you can see the option here. The second is Cost on Category. Let's configure this section by adding multiple rows and make sure that this option is enabled. Let's select Clothing as the category from the drop-down and set the min quantity 1 and max quantity to 5, and add the fee will be 10 here. Then select the same clothing category from the drop-down and add the min quantity 6 and max 10 quantity, and the fee will be 20. Then select same clothing category from the drop-down and add the min quantity 11 and max 20 quantity, and the fee will be 30. You can create multiple category range rules by clicking this button here. Now, save the settings by click the button here. Now, let's see how this works on the front end. I'll open a product from the clothing category. As you can see, the product fee of 21 is applied and the total payable amount is shown as 55, which is 34 for the product price plus 21 for the fee. In this section, you can see the quantity range and price that will apply based on selected product quantities by the user. Now, if you wish to hide this top fee section and keep bottom section only, go to the admin side and simply set the base price to 0 at here, and now save the settings from the bottom here. Once you go to the product page and refresh the product page, the top payable fee section will be removed now. Let's add the product quantity to see how the fee is applied. For example, let me select the 7 product quantity here, which will come under the 6 to 10 quantity range with $20 fee. To add this product to the cart, in the cart page, you'll see that the fee is set to 20, as it falls within the 6 to 10 product quantity range. Now, if I increase the quantity to 11 and update the cart, the fee jumps to 30. See here. Now, let's proceed to the checkout by click here. In checkout page, scroll down, and you'll see that the product fee applied. Finally, place the order by click here. On the thank you page, you'll see the fee applied according to the rules and product quantity range. This is how you can display fee on product page and apply the fees. Thank you for watching.